Hello everyone. How are you all? See, this is ninth class in the row, and here we are preparing for the upcoming exam, that is Union Bank of India, for the post of LBO, that is Local Bank Officer. My name is Pragya, and we will be covering up the banking and financial awareness portion in the form of multiple choice questions. See, if you are interested to prepare for this particular exam of Union Bank, okay, then of course you can check out the description box, because there a link has been provided for the crash course which is going on. In this crash course, we will be providing you 400 plus live classes. Along with it, recorded sessions would be there, mock test, 5,000 plus banking MCQs, and of course, one-on-one expert consultants would be there. We would be there for you for like 24/7. All the subjects would be covered. So yes, if you are interested and keen to prepare in a proficient manner for the upcoming exam of LBO 2024, then you can check out the description box. The link is there. And apart from it, if you want to contact us on a direct basis, you can go through the WhatsApp number of ours, which is also provided. So yeah, let us not waste much time of ours. Very first question of the day is asking the name of the bank. So it is saying name the bank that has recently partnered with RXIL. What is RXIL? It is Receivables Exchange of India Limited. And this partnership has been done to offer pre-shipment financing solutions for the micro, small and medium enterprises, which we call as MSMEs. So whether it is HSBC India, Standard Chartered Bank, option 3, that is Deutsche Bank, option 4, PNB Paribas, or option 5, that is DBS Bank India. So what is the name of that particular bank? Anyone is having any idea? What has it done? What is the new thing that this bank has taken into account? This has partnered with RXIL. The reason is the aim, the objective is to offer pre-shipment financing solutions for the MSMEs. Yes, hello Sandeep. What should be the answer here? Have 5 seconds. What should it be? Okay, so for this particular question, the correct answer would be option 5. That is DBS Bank India, which means DBS Bank India is set to launch a pre-shipment financing solutions. The reason is to empower the MSMEs and of course the small and medium enterprises, okay, in India. And this whole thing is going to be taking place in partnership with RXIL. What is it? What is RXIL? It is the first Reserve Bank of India licensed exchange platform which works under TREDS. What it TREDS? It is the Trade Receivables Electronic Discounting System. So from this paragraph solely, we came to know 3 things. First is the name of the bank which has partnered, okay, with RXIL. Partnership has been done with RXIL. The aim is to empower the MSMEs. And what is RXIL? It is the very first RBI's licensed exchange platform which is currently working under the TREDS. Okay. So DBS Bank India will be the very first bank, of course, to partner with RXIL, and it will offer end-to-end supplier financing, and this offering will be particularly relevant for the MSMEs and the SMEs throughout the India. Okay, all the MSMEs and SMEs are going to be connected across India through this partnership. And of course, this partnership is aiming to revolutionize the MSME financing with data-driven solutions. It will also enhance liquidity and, of course, the growth opportunities. Why? Because growth is something which is needed everywhere. So, yeah, growth opportunities are also going to be increased. The enhancement and liquidity is going to be available now, and MSME financing would be triggered on a positive manner because data-driven solutions would be there. So, yes, that's all about this question. Coming up with the next one, which is asking which bank has partnered. Okay, which bank has recently launched a prepaid student Sapphire Forex card for Indian students heading abroad for higher education? This is important. So what is the name of that bank? Is it option 1, that is Yes Bank, ICICI Bank, Bank of Baroda, Option 4, that is HDFC Bank, or option 5, that is Axis Bank. So what is the name of that particular bank? Anyone? No one is having any idea? What should it be? It is simply asking the name of the bank that has launched a prepaid card. What kind of card it is? It is related to the students, and of name is Student Sapphire Forex card. It will be provided for the Indian students who are currently heading abroad for higher education. Okay. So what is the name of that bank? Sandeep? Okay, Sandeep is saying it is ICICI Bank. That is option 2. So yes, of course, it is the correct one. That is ICICI Bank. Which means if we talk about July 2, 2024, then ICICI Bank launched a prepaid student Sapphire Forex card, and this is going to be provided for the Indian students heading abroad for higher education. See, what is this? This is Visa-powered prepaid card, which offers a comprehensive solution for managing education-related expenses. Because when any student is going to be there in any of the certain countries, then of course there would be some higher expenses. Okay, so for that purpose, like if it is talking about admission, the course fees, as well as the everyday cost, like the travel cost, dining, groceries, everything, every damn single thing would be covered under this whole card. Okay, and this is going to be provided for the Indian students who are heading abroad for higher education. Next question is asking, which bank has recently signed a co-lending partnership with whom? With Piramal Capital and Housing Finance Limited for MSMEs and home loan segments. Is it Yes Bank, ICICI Bank, Karnataka Bank, South Indian Bank, or option 5, that is Axis Bank? Question is simple, question is straight and important at the same time, which is asking which bank has signed a co-lending partnership with whom? With Piramal Capital and Housing Finance Limited for MSMEs and home loan segment. What should it be? Anyone? What should it be? Should it be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Which is the correct option? Yes, Sandeep, these questions are important for your skill 3 exams as well, dear. Few would be there which might be seeming like so direct, but yeah, at the same time, there are certain questions which are going to be asked if in an indirect manner also, then also you will have to go for such questions, right? So what should it be? What should be the correct option this time? Is it option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? That is the correct one. Anyone? Okay. Yes. So this time the correct option is going to be option 5. That is Axis Bank. Which means, friends, Axis Bank Limited, which is a private sector bank, and Piramal Capital and Housing Finance Limited, which in short we can call as Piramal Finance. What is it? It is a NBFC HFC. What does it mean? It is a non-banking financial company, housing finance company. It is working as both. Okay. And this Piramal has entered into a co-lending partnership which will focus on micro, small, and medium enterprises, and of course, upon the home loan segment as well. Clear? Next question is asking, which of the following has recently signed a memorandum of understanding with Online PSB Loans Limited to digitalize the enrollment and claim settlement processes under Jan Suraksha schemes and for all the 43 RRBs, that is the regional rural banks. So is it Reserve Bank of India, NABARD, that is National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development? Option 3, SIDBI, is Small Industries Development Bank of India. Option 4, that is Employees State Insurance Corporation, that is ESIC. Or option 5, that is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. So question is simple but yet important. It is asking which of the following organization has signed a MOU with OPL. Okay, and the reason is to digitalize the enrollment and claim settlement processes under JSS for all the 43, total 43 RRBs, that is the regional rural banks. What should it be, Sandeep? Having any idea? Okay, giving you 5 seconds. Okay, PFRDA. So yes, this time, my friend, the correct option is, it's not the pension fund regulatory, it is NABARD. That is National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. Although we always take NABARD as it is going to be taking some decisions related to the agriculture and rural development processes only. But yeah, as it is talking about Jan Suraksha scheme, so this time NABARD is the correct option. So NABARD has signed a memorandum of understanding with Online PSB Loans Limited, and the reason is to promote financial inclusion through regional rural banks. And it is aiming to smoothen and digitalize the enrollment and claim settlement processes under the Jan Suraksha schemes for all 43 RRBs. Okay. So yes, if we talk about it further, then under this initiative, friends, the BARD will integrate all 43 RRBs onto the Jan Suraksha portal, and it is going to be held to democratize the access of the financial protection schemes across remote areas of the country. If we talk about what do we mean by Jan Suraksha portal, then it is an initiative undertaken by the Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, and of course, Government of India. And what does it do? What does this JSS basically works upon? It offers digital enrollment and claim settlement for the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, which is PMSBY and PMJJBY solely. Clear? So from here, from this particular question, what are the things which we came to know? We came to know that NABARD is that particular organization that has taken into account this new decision. It will, of course, integrate all the 43 RRBs. Okay. And what is Jan Suraksha Portal? It is kind of an initiative which is undertaken by DFS, Ministry of Finance, and of course, Government of India. And it offers enrollment and claim settlement for PMJGY. Okay. And of course, for the PMSBY, that is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Next question is asking, which state government has recently signed memorandum of understanding with IBM, that is International Business Machines Corporation, Microsoft Corporation, and the National Association of Software and Service Companies, that is NESCOM. Reason is to promote the use of artificial intelligence, that is AI technologies. So question is simple. It is asking the name of that state's government that has recently signed memorandum of understanding with IBM, Microsoft Corporation, and with NESCOM, so as to promote AI technologies in that particular state as well. Okay. So is it Gujarat's government, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, option 4, that is Odisha, or option 5, that is Tamil Nadu? Which is the correct option? Which is that particular and right state? Anyone? What should it be? Have 5 seconds. Go through the question. It is a nice question, of course. And friends, if you are capable to go through the questions properly, and if you are listening all ears, all the things, then you can definitely be understanding it out that every damn question is irrelevant with the previous one. So it is not like that we are covering same sort of questions or same origin of questions. No, the whole team, we do try to cover as much as variable questions as much we can, so that your preparation would be better and of course quicker at the same time. So yeah, this time the correct option, my friends, it is going to be option 1, which is Gujarat. So if we talk about 29th June 2024, then those, which is Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat has already signed a memorandum of understandings with International Business Machines Corporation, Microsoft Corporation, and NESCOM. Why is it being written as MOUs? Because it has signed 3 memorandum of understanding. First has been signed with IBM, second has been signed with Microsoft, and third has been signed with NESCOM. The main objective you can be calling for 3 of them is the advancement in the AI technologies and its promotion throughout the state. And those, which is the Department of Science and Technology, has signed a memorandum of understanding with IBM to stabilize and promote AI cluster at GIFT City, that is Gujarat International Finance Tech City in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. See, basically it is telling us, very firstly, we came to know that those, which is of course Gujarat's government, it has signed this whole new memorandum of understandings. There are 3 MOUs which are being signed. Now, we will be coming to know the reason behind each and every memorandum of understanding, the aim. So, firstly, if we talk about its MOU being signed with IBM, then it is to stabilize and promote an AI cluster at the GIFT City in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. If we talk about further, then it has signed this memorandum of understanding with Microsoft to establish an AI Center of Excellence, that is COE, in GIFT City. The COE will focus on key technologies such as machine learning, cognitive services, and board services at the same time. And apart from it, DOST has signed memorandum of understanding with NESCOM to enhance AI capabilities in Gujarat as well. So yes, from these 3 paragraphs, separately, we also talked about the basic aim and objective behind all the 3 signing of memorandum of understandings with the separate companies at the same time by Gujarat's government. Right? Now, coming up with the next question, which is asking, which bank celebrated its 69th foundation day on 1st of July 2024? Is it Canara Bank? Is it Yes Bank, State Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, or option 5? That is Indian Bank. Okay, so this question might be seeming very simple and straight, but yeah, when we will be covering it forward, we would come to know the reason behind the coverage of this question. So it is simple. It is simply asking the name of that bank that has celebrated its 69th foundation day on 1st of July 2024. So is it option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Okay. So this time, dear, the correct option would be option 3, that is State Bank of India. Which means on the occasion of its 69th foundation day, State Bank of India, it has announced 11 new initiatives to enhance the banking experience for its customer and, of course, to widen up the bank's accessibility. That is the reason why we took into account this question. We came to know that SBI has celebrated on 1st of July its 69th Foundation Day. But what is the most important thing here? It has announced 11 new initiatives. And these initiatives, of course, Sandeep, you are correct. These initiatives are going to enhance the banking experience for its customer and widen up the bank's accessibility at the same time. See, friends, these initiatives span digital advancement, improve customer services, and specialized products for different segments. So, what is new about this thing? Firstly, this is important. SBI has launched the UPI tap and pay feature on the Bheem SBI Pay app, which uses near field communication, that is NFC technology. The reason is to go for swift and effortless digital payments. At the same time, these transactions, tap and pay transactions under rupees 500 can be completed without a PIN using unified payments interface Lite. Apart from it, this is another news that SBI has established 35 new agricultural centralized processing cells, which we call as agri-CPCs. The reason is to streamline agricultural loan processing and mitigate risk if there are any. Third is saying to better serve its NRI, that is non-resident Indian clients, SBI's chairman has inaugurated its second global NRI center, that is GNC, in Patiala, Punjab. Here it is being provided as Dinesh Kumar Khara. The reason is this particular decision, the time this whole decision, this new advancement related to SBI were taken into account. Dinesh Kumar Khara was the chairman, but now Chala Sri Nivasulu Shetty has become the new chairman. Okay. Here we are talking about SBI. All these decisions, all these new advancements and things have been taken into account by SBI solely. Next question is talking about, give me a second. Which organization has recently signed a long-term local currency loan agreement with ENGIE, that is Enjoy Group, to construct and operate a 400 megawatt solar photovoltaic power plant in Surendranagar district in Gujarat? Is it International Finance Corporation, Development Bank of Austria, New Development Bank, or option 4, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Option 5, ADB, that is Asian Development Bank. So what is the name of that particular organization? It is asking. This is important question. What has been done by this organization? It has signed a long-term local currency loan agreement with ENGIE Group. The reason is to construct and prepare to operate for a 400 megawatt solar photovoltaic power plant in Surendranagar district in Gujarat. So what should it be? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? I'll be waiting for a few seconds. Take your time. Go through the question, go through the answers, and then do reply. Okay, so this time, friends, the correct answer would be option 5, that is Asian Development Bank, which means Asian Development Bank has signed a long-term local currency loan agreement with France-based ENGIE Group. And this is to construct and operate a 400 megawatt solar photovoltaic power plant in Surendranagar district in Gujarat, India. Okay. So yes, this whole decision was proposed, and the solar plant will generate an average of 805 gigawatt hours solar energy per year over the next 25 years. And what is the basic initiative behind it? This will help to avoid nearly 6.62 lakh tons of carbon dioxide. This is important. And the estimated budget for the project is Indian rupees is 14.6 billion, which is approximately USD 176 million. And ADB was the mandated lead arranger for the entire loan. So from here, we came to know few things. Firstly, we talked about the name, that is Asian Development Bank, which has signed this long-term local currency local loan agreement, okay, with whom? With the ENGIE Group. Reason is to operate a 400 megawatt solar photovoltaic power plant in Gujarat. And what will it do? This solar plant will generate an average of 805 gigawatt hours solar energy per year over the next 25 years. Apart from it, what will it do? It will help out to avoid nearly 6.62 lakh tons of CO2, and the projected amount, that is the estimated budget for this in rupees, is going to be 14.6 billion. Apart from it, if we talk about its whole amount in USD manner, then it is USD 176 million. So friends, ADB and AIIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, they both will also provide financial support of INR 7.3 billion for this complete project. Okay. So now, coming up with the next question, which is asking, which insurance company has recently launched an agency transformation project named Jeevan Samarth to future-proof its 14 lakh agents workforce to meet evolving customer needs? Is it Tata AIG General Insurance Company Limited, Star Health and Elite Insurance Company Limited, Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company Limited? Option 4, that is Life Insurance Corporation of India, or option 5, that is Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance? Question is simple. It is asking the name of that insurance company that has launched an agency transformation project. The name of this project is Jeevan Samarth. What will it do? It will future-proof its 14 lakh agents workforce to meet evolving customer needs. What should it be? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? Take your time. Have 5 seconds. Such kind of questions are quite important. So do try to revise these out afterwards also. Because if you are thinking that by going through these questions for a very single time, you are going to remember it out, no, then it is definitely not possible, dear. At least do go for revisions, like 1 or 2 or 3 revisions. And then only you can be like future proof for your upcoming exam. Like this Jeevan Samarth is futuring proof the 14 lakh agents workforce to meet evolving customer needs. Okay. So yeah, Sandeep is saying the correct option this time would be LIC. Jitesh is saying option 4 is the correct. Okay. So this time, my lovely ones, the correct option is option 4. That is Life Insurance Corporation of India. So both of you are correct, which means LIC has launched Jeevan Samarth, an agency transformation project to future-proof its 14 lakh agents workforce to meet evolving customer needs. Apart from it, LIC has partnered with AT Kendray, Will global strategy consulting firm, to undertake the transformation project by reviewing the LIC's existing agency framework. So yes, this project entails revamping agency operations at branch, division, and zonal levels, which basically means this whole project, Jeevan Samarth, will be covering up the every damn detail, which means it will work upon the branch, division, and zonal levels all at the same time. What will it do? It will establish global best practices amidst the changing insurance industry and regulatory landscapes in India. Next question is talking about name the insurance company that has recently launched the artificial intelligence powered health insurance product, that is Elevate. Is it ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited, Tata AIG General Insurance Company Limited? Option 3, that is Life Insurance Corporation of India. Option 4, Future General India Life Insurance Company Limited. Or option 5, that is Bajaj Alliance Life Insurance Company Limited. What is it? What is the name of that particular insurance company that has launched the artificial intelligence powered health insurance product, which is of name Elevate? Have 5 seconds to think about it. What should it be? Jitesh, what is the correct answer this time, dear? Okay, so this time the correct answer would be option 1. That is ICICI. Yes, very good, Sandeep. That is ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited, which means ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited has launched Elevate. What is it? It is a first of its kind revolutionary health insurance product which is powered by artificial intelligence. And of course, nothing is done without any certain aim. So this will be aiming to provide customized solutions for diverse healthcare needs. There would be infinite sum insured, which addresses the concern of limited coverage, and of course, sum insured and insurance that policyholders get access to infinite coverage. And of course, there would be infinite claim amount, which offers comprehensive financial protection with an infinite claim amount for one-time claims during the policy lifetime. So this is new about this thing, which means that it will be providing infinite sum insured and infinite claim amount both at the same time. So friends, that's all for today's session. We would be meeting tomorrow as well with further questions. Until then, study properly, study smartly, because now it might be seeming that exams are not by the corner, but yeah, it wouldn't definitely be taking time to reach them up till you. Okay. So yeah, we will be revising it out, all the questions afterwards as well. Till then, go through the video again so that you can revise it out properly. And do like, share, and subscribe our channel, that is Banking Dreams. And of course, apart from it, if you are keen to prepare for this upcoming exam of Union Bank of India for the LBO post, then you can check out the description box. This whole new crash course, it is being provided, being offered to you guys by our official channel of Knowledgist. So yeah, till then, friends, have a very good time ahead. Signing off, Pragya this side. Thank you, everyone.